Hey everybody, my name is Nick. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and use Che AI app on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you probably understand that Che AI app is created for mobile devices. So to install it on PC, you need to have an Android emulator. For example, you can install LD Player as me or just download another Android emulator. For example, BlueStacks. So to install it, just type in the search box LD Player or BlueStacks, then go to their official website and just download it for your device. After that, of course, run the installer and download it on your PC. Then just run this application and you will see this window. After that, you need to use this application as your phone. So just open up the apps folder. Now click on Play Store, of course, log into your account, and then find here the necessary application. In our case, Che AI application. Click on the install button to download it on your Android emulator, and then just wait a bit. Okay, finally it's installed, and now we're gonna click on Open. Let's do it. And yeah, we can start using this application right on my PC. It's very, very cool. So just sign in to your account and start using the application. Let me show you. And yeah, here it is. Hope this video was really helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.